If you're building in Framer, you already know some features just aren't possible natively. You either write custom code or you end up paying for a component that does it for you. But wait, at the time of recording this video, I found a website that offers free Framer components you can copy directly into your projects. In this video, I'll show you the website, how it works, and how to use these components in your own designs. So without further ado, I'm Imran from Cycloto, and let's get started. So this is the website. Site name is originkit.dev. As you can see, it's packed with Framer components and all completely free to use. They are organized into categories. You can scroll down, click this text to see all the text component. They have buttons, border, images. Scroll down to see more effects. So let's go back to home and select a component. Click here, copy. You can copy the code or copy in Framer or copy with MCP. For our case, just copy in Framer. Click to copy and you need to sign up. I already signed up, so let me log in. Click here again and click this button, and that's it. Go to our Framer project, then paste the component. This is the component. We can simply drop it here and then position it at the bottom, collapse them. On the right side, you can customize it, like adding images, and you can change the name here too. Set the width, height, corner radius, sideways, basically everything you can control. And let's preview to see how it looks. Yes, it looks fine, and it's that simple. Let's open another component. Like this one. Copy it and paste it here. Let's add a stack. Set the height, viewport 100 VH, and click here. Set the width, fill, height, viewport. Again, you can customize it, like adding your images. Click here, add, upload, and upload any images you like. As you can see, we changed the image. Click here to add another image. Perfect. So yeah, it's that simple. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Framer tips, tricks, tutorials, and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.